Covering one's tracks is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of concealing or hiding evidence of one's actions or intentions to avoid detection or accountability. It implies a deliberate effort to obscure or obfuscate the trail of evidence that could lead back to the individual, typically in the context of wrongdoing or deception. The phrase covering one's tracks originates from the literal act of erasing or obscuring footprints left behind on a trail, making it difficult for others to trace the path taken. Metaphorically, it extends to any situation where individuals seek to hide their involvement in a particular event, scheme, or activity by removing or altering incriminating evidence. There are various reasons why someone might feel the need to cover their tracks. In some cases, individuals may engage in dishonest or illicit behavior and wish to avoid facing consequences or scrutiny for their actions. This could include activities such as cheating on exams, embezzling funds, or engaging in extramarital affairs. Alternatively, individuals may cover their tracks out of fear of reprisal or retaliation from others. For example, whistleblowers who expose corruption or wrongdoing within organizations may take steps to conceal their identity or protect sensitive information to avoid facing backlash or retaliation from powerful interests. Covering one's tracks can take many forms, depending on the nature of the situation and the level of sophistication of those involved. It may involve deleting incriminating emails or text messages, falsifying records or documents, tampering with physical evidence, or creating alibis to provide a false explanation for one's actions. Moreover, covering one's tracks often requires careful planning and execution to avoid leaving behind any obvious traces or clues that could arouse suspicion. This may involve anticipating potential points of discovery or scrutiny and taking preemptive measures to mitigate risk. However, the act of covering one's tracks is not without its risks and consequences. While it may provide temporary relief or protection from immediate scrutiny, attempts to conceal the truth often come with ethical, legal, and psychological ramifications. Individuals who engage in deception or dishonesty may damage their reputation, erode trust in their relationships, and face severe consequences if their actions are uncovered. Furthermore, the constant fear of being exposed or caught can take a toll on one's mental and emotional well-being, leading to stress, anxiety, and paranoia. The burden of maintaining a facade of innocence or secrecy can weigh heavily on individuals, undermining their sense of integrity and authenticity. In conclusion, covering one's tracks is an expression that denotes the act of concealing or hiding evidence of one's actions or intentions to avoid detection or accountability. While it may provide temporary relief or protection, attempts to obscure the truth often come with ethical, legal, and psychological consequences. By understanding the risks and ramifications of deception, individuals can strive to act with integrity and honesty in all aspects of their lives, thereby avoiding the need to cover their tracks in the first place.